Let's solve this question together. It says 8 raised to power x is equal to 48. Okay, so let's solve this. Now, the first thing to do here is I will take the logarithm of both sides. So I will say log of 8 raised to power x is equal to log of 48. Okay, now remember that if I have something like log of a raised to power b, it is equal to b multiplied by log a. Okay, this is a law. Okay, so applying this here, we have x multiplied by log 8 to be equal to log 48. Hence, our x becomes equal to log 48 divided by log 8. Okay, now from here, you can see that log of 48 is equal to, so for example, 48 now is equal to 8 times 6. Okay, so we can have, we write log of 48 as log of 8 times 6. And we divide this by log of 8. Now, another law says that log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. So applying this here, we should be having this to be equal to log of 8 plus log of 6 over log of 8 over log of 8. From here, what you have left is equal to 1 plus log of 6 all over log of 8. Okay, now log of 6 is same thing as log of 2 times log of 3. Okay, so this becomes equal to 1 plus log of 2 times 3. Okay, over, now 8 is same thing as log of 2 raised to power 3, abi, so this is log of 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so 8 is the same thing as 2 raised to power 3. Moving on, our x now becomes equal to 1 plus, again, log of 2 plus log of 3, okay, over log of 2 raised to power 3 over, from here we also have log of 2 raised to power 3. Now remember that this thing can become equal to what we had before. So we have 1 plus log of 2 over 3 times log of 2. Okay, and this one becomes equal to log of 3 over 3 times log of 2. This will take this, so that we are left with this is equal to 1 plus 1 over 3, okay, plus 1 over 3 times log of 3 over log of 2. Okay, now we can choose to rewrite this. Okay, so we can choose to rewrite this as 1 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times log of 3 in base 2. Okay, now joining this together, we have 4 over 3 plus 1 over 3 times log of 3 in base 2. Okay, so this is the final simplified answer for x. Cheers.